Alright guys, so things went in a different way that I was expecting. So I was planning to do a bunch of stuff with this Noisywara. Noisywara, why is that? Because it's like a makiwara, but it makes a bunch of noise because it's poorly developed. And you know, when you're trying to do your punches and stuff, just rocks around and makes a lot of noise. I was planning to put this thing on wheels and then getting my buddy Charles to come over and hitting it as far as we could with 1-inch punches and see what that would do. But then I realized that it might just completely fail and wreck the beautiful paint that I put on the garage floor here. And so we're not going to do that. And I'm just going to throw it out. I may keep some of these bits there because they could become decent ramps for crawlers and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to just throw out this frame here. There's not a whole lot that I can do with it unless I wanted to make a mega trident.
Likey